Hello everyone, this is Joel from Kanen Coffee, and today we have a Rancilio Silvia with us in the shop. And I came in for quite a few issues. Mainly this machine was having a lot of water corrosion and a lot of scale buildup to the point where even though it does have a new style boiler, around the entire ridge of the boiler, it was completely leaking for quite some time. All the screws were rusted over. We do have a few pieces here just because the customer had requested to keep them. This is the boiler. As you can see, around all the ridges, leaking, corrosion, rust around every single hole mount. And then on the inside, it wasn't any better. Actually, the heating element was corroding, a lot of scale buildup. There was a lot more that I had to clean out inside the machine. But yeah, this one was just pretty bad when it comes to the general condition of the boiler. Even though it does have that removable heating element, we deemed it best to probably just remove the whole thing and replace it with a new one, just so you don't run into any issues in the future. On top of that, after we did pretty much the whole boiler swap, a tune-up, which is descaling, back flushing, replacing the shower screen and gasket, which this is what the shower screen looked like. It was quite built up with coffee. The OPV, this is the original OPV, as you can see, also had a lot of that water corrosion, which was causing a lot of, when you put steam function on, it was causing steam to go backwards into the water tank, causing it to bubble out, and you would hear a loud popping noise inside the machine. And so we had to replace OPV after the repair was complete. But now that we have the machine here, we don't have a portafilter with the machine, so we are just going to test the functionality is working. We're going to run the water here to show that water is pouring out nice and quickly. Hot also, this is just a brew temp. Then I'm going to flip this up to turn the steam mode on, and we are going to come back when this light turns off. Alrighty, now that that light is off, it is up to temperature, so we can open that steam wand, and we're getting steam. Beautiful steam coming out. And now we can go ahead and cool off that boiler. You can see the light turned it back on because we cooled it off. We are going to cool off the boiler with some water. Make sure that there's water back in the boiler before we go back to brewing. You don't want to run out of water in that boiler. That could damage the heating element and other parts of the machine. But now that the water's coming out, cooled it off, and it's ready to go again. And that's about it for this repair. If you like this video or any of our other repairs on our channel, leave a like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Thanks for watching.